Welcome to Solar Sweet Maple Farm. We are situated on 200 acres of land. We have 23,500 taps. We are solar powered.
We just make maple syrup.
I'm Tom Gadju, and I'm with Solar Sweet Maple Farm in Lincoln, Vermont. I actually got into it as a child. I tapped about 30 trees with buckets when I was 9 years old, and I got hooked. We make between 10 and 12,000 gallons of syrup a year here. We have a 12.5 kW solar field on the roof of our operation here. We bank it all year long, put it back into the grid for the rest of the people to use, and then we use up most of it up during sugaring season. We were, I believe, the first in Vermont to have solar powered, and now we're starting to see others following us, which is a good thing.
This is our wood evaporator. We try to take use of our natural resources as much as we can. The guys cut around 55 cords of wood a year.
This is a full-time job when you get this big. Sugaring season for us is about 6 months out of the year between tapping and boiling. In the off-season, we're setting up more taps, cutting wood, we're doing everything that needs to be done for the next season. Our main goal this time of year is to get tapped. We have a little over 23,000 taps. I'm gonna hit the spout until it changes sound. And that's when you know it's set.
We try and do everything as health conscious as we can for our forest here. We go out of our way to make it a better place for our next generation. Being part of a community is a big thing to my wife and my son and I. It means more than running the business to us.
Our intent when we created this was we wanted a place where people could come and stay a while.
Our doors are always open. If someone's here, you're more than welcome to come up.
Go to Maple Open House Weekend.